Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create a letter A portrait in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a gradient background. Use the following settings. Gradient fill angle set to 150 degrees, style set to radial. Make it reverse and checkmark dither to smooth your colors. Now, pick the type tool and write the letter A. I use the font named Finesse Future. Make it larger. Right-click and click on Skew. Then skew it while holding the Shift key. Now, open your image link in description. Unlock the image and remove the background. Right-click on the layer and convert it to a smart object. Right-click on the image and flip it vertically. Then scale it down accordingly. Duplicate the image layer. Right-click on the image layer and create a clipping mask. Add a mask. Right-click on the text layer and select pixels. Press Ctrl+D to deselect the text. Repeat the same process for the next image layer. Now, select the text layer and go to Blending Options. Add a stroke using these settings. Like and subscribe for more videos.